Hey, this is my video for the Hellofresh unboxing. This is my first package that I got. I had got a deal from Zulily.com. I actually paid $40 and this is a 3 meal for 4 person a week. Regular price I think $169, but they were having a special for $40, so I wanted to try out Hellofresh and it just came in the mail. And you gotta bear with me because I literally just popped this top and I have no idea what's inside, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand, but I want to get the full view of everything. So it says ditch takeout, skip the store, live fresh. Alright. So it comes with a hello card. Oh, I guess these are like the recipes. Okay. So we got bone-in pork chops with shallot peppercorn sauce, butter braised cabbage, and crispy potatoes. Cornflake and honey crusted chicken. And pan-seared salmon. Yum. Okay, so that's cool. This is just basically the recipe cards that come together. Alright, so this is the insulated part. It's pretty thick and everything feels pretty cold. Oh, this is cute. Okay, let's see. So we have the pan-seared salmon. I guess this is the meal. I can see the garlic cloves inside. And the vegetables. Okay. Here's another one, pan-seared salmon. Here is the bone-in pork chops. It has sour cream and it has salsa inside. Interesting. Okay. Here is the cornflake honey chicken. So these are icy bags. This part right here is pretty much ice still, and so I guess that's what's keeping it cold. So these are the food and vegetables. I think underneath is the meat. Let's check that out. Okay, some more cold stuff. Yay! Alright. So there's the salmon. Yum. That looks so good. So I guess, okay, so this is 1 piece, 2, 3, and 4. Look at that bad boy. Alright. So, okay, so because I did get 4 person. Okay, and then I got 4 pork chops here, and the chicken, I'm hoping there's 2 pieces in here because I only see 2, so that should be for 4. Okay, I'm going to open up one of these boxes really quick and check out what's inside. See if I can do this with one hand. I cannot. Let me put the phone down 1 second. Okay, so all I did was pop the top. So this is the bone-in pork chops. Okay, that's not gonna focus. So it looks like we have some cabbage. Oh my goodness. Okay, there it goes. Cabbage. Some potatoes. Tricolored peppercorns. Tomato paste, a shallot, garlic, sour cream, and this is, I guess, like chicken bouillon in here. So, okay, that's pretty cool. So we're just gonna go in here for the bone-in pork chops. And all that should be everything that it is in that box. Takes 45 minutes to make level 3. Oh, that's cool. It's a little bit tricky, but we're gonna do it. Me and my husband are gonna have date night and try this stuff out. And it has ingredients and portion control and all how to make it. Alrighty, well, I'm excited. The box is huge, and I'll give an update video on how everything went. Thanks for watching.